Hi guys, I'm here with Eric Gruscyk. He owns a Desjardins Insurance and he's located in Oakville. I've known him for quite some time, so I want to give you guys a moment to get to know him too. So Eric, how long have you been doing this?
Well, good morning everybody. So I've been doing this, I guess I should back up a little bit. So when I was younger, my dad opened up his own insurance business.
Okay.
And so I've always kind of been in the shadows learning from him. And even out of university, I started working at his office. And so that probably would have been back in 2004, 2005 time period. And I quickly then went into some roles with our head office in terms of the insurance company. So I went from working on the agency network into the insurance, like the actual company, and had different roles and really tried to learn about the business. So I was in an underwriting role, and then I was in an agency role, different projects. And back in 2014, it would have been, I really took a serious look into agency and opening up an agency. And then in 2015, I entered into their internship program. And that came with a lot of different responsibilities. And then in 2016, opened up my, as you see it here, an insurance office.
That's great.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about underwriting?
So underwriting is evaluating risks. So people kind of get nervous when you talk about underwriting because it's looking at different rules, different rate structures. It's very boring. At least most people would consider it pretty boring. But it's basically trying to properly evaluate a household in terms of car and home insurance. How do you properly price your car insurance? Home insurance, how do you properly price your home insurance? Life insurance, how do you properly price your life insurance?
Wow.
So that's what underwriting is, and it is interesting, but it wasn't for me to be there for the long run.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you've been here for quite some time. You saw your dad in the industry, and that was kind of your segue. But can you tell me about that? What made you get into this industry? For
me, I got into this business because I always have loved dealing, probably like you, probably a very similar journey.
Yeah.
You just really liked being with people. You liked serving people. For me, I love the idea of building a team. I love the idea of starting something from nothing, and then over the course of my career, just watching a business grow. That really appeals to me.
Mm-hmm.
And so even though I've been in the business for a long time, owning this agency is allowing me to give, and do business differently, build a team, watch something come from nothing. Those are all things that I like seeing every day, and then I look forward to seeing, get better in the future.
Okay, so before this, what did you do?
Well, before this, I worked at the insurance company as an agency field specialist, where basically I went around to about 30 to 40 different offices every single month and helped them with their technology, customer issues, training, some marketing, things like that. So I kind of really learned about the business also from these other agencies that they needed help in various different capacities.
Yes.
And that's what caused me to want to get into the current role that I'm in now.
So will you just quickly explain to us, what is it that you guys do here?
So this is a Desjardins Insurance and Financial Agency. So what we do is we meet with clients to look at their car insurance needs, their home insurance needs. We have a financial side of our business too, where we do people's life insurance. Mm-hmm. We also do investments here, so we help people oftentimes with their RSPs, their TFSAs. And then there's also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but we do commercial insurance here too.
No.
So for small business owners who need liability insurance or their property insured, we do things like that for clients. We probably have between 80 to 100 different kinds of insurance that we sell and actively promote. Yeah.
One that I always get the most questions about, where do I get it? How do I find it? Tenant Insurance. Mm-hmm. You guys handle tenant insurance, is that correct?
Every day.
Yes.
Every single day we do tenant insurance policies. That's probably one of our more, I would say, common between car insurance and tenant insurance. Those two are probably the most common policies that we sell.
Can you tell me a little bit more about tenant insurance? What will you require when you're applying for it? How long does it take to get? That sort of thing.
So tenant insurance is usually very simple and straightforward.
Yeah.
For us, we are asking about, basic questions. When are you closing? When do you get your unit? What's the address? How much personal property do you have?
Okay.
For us, our base policy is $15,000 for your personal contents, and then $1 million for liability.
Got it.
So that is what we would be selling. That's a popular option here.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it was great to take the time to get to know what you guys do here. So thank you for taking time out of your day to talk to us about that. If you guys are shopping around for insurance, shop around with Eric. Anything else that you wanted to say?
No, just look forward to talking with everybody. And if you ever have any insurance questions or any concerns, always feel free to give us a call. I have 5 staff here, and we're open from 9 till 7 o'clock, and we're also open on Saturdays 10 to 5. So we're always here for you guys. Feel free to call or email anytime.
Thank you.